Hello, this is Brad Gough with Coldwell Banker Kaiser, and I am sending you this short video today to remind you that you need to re-verify your homestead tax exemption, and that is a $45,000 tax exemption that is taken off the top of the assessed value of your home here in Indiana. And so if you have a primary residence here in Indiana, you can claim that homestead tax exemption, and essentially it lowers your property taxes. If that's not in place, for many of you, it would essentially double your property taxes. And the state's been going through a process over the last year or so of trying to notify you when you get your tax bills that you need to re-verify your homestead tax exemption. You should have got a pink slip in the mail with your property tax information. And so I'm going to show you how to go online and to verify that that tax exemption is still in place. If you don't live in, I'm going to do this video for Hamilton County, and if you don't live in Hamilton County, just give me a call and I can help you with that as well. But the video that I'm getting ready to show you will show you how to do this online. I hope you find this useful, and make sure that you do this right away. Thanks. First, you'll need to go to the Hamilton County government website, which is www.co.hamilton.in.us. And click on Homestead Verification Form. You'll need to click on the Homestead Verification Form again in the lower right-hand corner. Then under Associated Documents, you want to click Online Form. Next, you'll be asked to enter data into one of these little CAPTCHA boxes. So go ahead and enter what you see on the screen. Hope you can read these a little bit better than I can. On the next screen under Property Reports, right-click to open up that link in a separate tab so you can see your property information on a separate tab. I just find that to be a little bit easier. Then select Parcel Information under Report Type. Then select to search by property address, enter the house number of your home, and then press Continue to continue. Then on the next screen, select your property from the drop-down. And now you should see a screen that's got your property information on it, such as the state and county parcel numbers, the deeded owners' names, and the legal description of the property. We'll need those on the next screen. Now click on the Homestead Verification Form tab again, and you'll see that the first field we have to enter is the taxpayer name. And so now you can just watch as I toggle back and forth between the Homestead Verification Form tab and your Property Report tab, and I'll be cutting and pasting the information on the Property Report tab and filling in the appropriate fields on the Homestead Verification Form. Fields such as the state and county parcel numbers, the deeded owner's name, the legal description of the property. So just watch me as I go back and forth between these two screens and fill in the information based upon what is on the Property Report tab. First, you'll want to get the state parcel number and copy that from one form to the other and paste it in, as you can see. Then you'll want to do the county parcel number, and then you can skip this area right here on the screen. You'll want to enter the legal description, so go back over to the other form and cut and paste the legal description of the property into this particular field on the homestead verification form, as you can see I'm doing here. All right. And you want to mark, do you have another property in the state? I don't. Most of you won't. If you did, you'd want to fill out that information there. Then you're going to come down through and you're going to fill in the name, your name, last name, and if applicable, you're going to be doing the same thing for your spouse. Also, you'll need to know the last 5 digits of your Social Security number and the last 5 digits of your Indiana state license number, and put those in those fields right there as well. You're going to do the same thing again if it's applicable for your spouse, probably marking that you live at the same property that we're doing this verification for, so you would check that there. And as you continue down, you want to put in your email address, because they will email you a verification of this, and it's very important that you save that. So I would absolutely put your email address in there, have them send that to you, and save that for your own records. Okay, so now that you've entered all the information, the last thing you want to do is review the instructions at the bottom of the screen, read through that, and at the very bottom of the screen there's a button to push. It says send request. You only want to press that once, and then you're all done. I hope you found this useful.